Imagine stepping into a life where abundance flows effortlessly towards you, where prosperity, joy, and peace are not just aspirations, but your everyday reality. This video looks into the teachings of Louise Hay, whose insights have empowered millions to transform their lives. Today, we'll explore how her simple, profound principles can serve as your blueprint to achieve an abundant life. You're not just learning a philosophy, you're setting the foundation for lasting abundance. When we talk about abundance, it's easy to immediately think of wealth and, material goods. But true abundance encompasses so much more. It includes emotional fulfillment, spiritual richness, and mental well-being. It's about living a life filled with joy, peace, and prosperity in all aspects. Louise Hay taught that abundance is something you attract by becoming what you want to see in your life. It starts with how you see and interact with the world. To truly understand abundance, you must first accept that it is not something external that is given to only a lucky few. Instead, it's a state of being that you can cultivate within yourself. It's about feeling rich internally with your values, thoughts, and actions aligned with positivity and prosperity. This internal wealth then reflects outward, influencing all areas of your life. Hay believed that the universe is abundant and that everyone is deserving of what it has to offer. She emphasized that scarcity or lack often comes from our own limitations, barriers we place ourselves, not by the universe. By shifting your mindset to one of endless possibilities, you open doors that were once hidden, allowing abundance to flow into your life. Building on the understanding of abundance, the next crucial step is developing self-awareness. This involves deep introspection and honesty about who you are, your beliefs, and how these influence your life. Self-awareness is the tool through which you can identify the thoughts and patterns that serve as obstacles to your abundance. Why is self-awareness so fundamental? Because it helps you recognize the negative patterns that repeat in your life, patterns that may be so ingrained that you consider them part of your identity. For instance, if you believe that success is destined only for others and not for yourself, this belief acts as a barrier to achieving your own success. Recognizing such beliefs is the first step in changing them. Self-awareness allows you to take control of your thoughts and emotions rather than being unconsciously driven by them. It helps you understand your emotional triggers and how to manage them effectively. This understanding is crucial because your thoughts and emotions are powerful attractors. They shape the energy you emit and in turn the energy you attract. Through the practice of self-awareness, you learn to observe your thoughts without judgment, to gently steer them towards positivity and abundance. This shift doesn't happen overnight, but is a rewarding process that steadily builds a foundation for lasting change. By becoming more aware of your inner dialogue, you can start replacing scarcity-driven thoughts with abundant ones. Each positive thought plants a seed for positive experiences, nurturing a life rich in abundance. Building on our foundation of understanding, abundance, and self-awareness, we now turn to one of the most practical tools in Louise Hay's approach, affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that, when spoken with conviction, can help you to reshape your thoughts and reinforce the abundance mindset we discussed earlier. These powerful phrases are not just wishful thinking, but a method for actively transforming your thought patterns. The effectiveness of affirmations lies in their ability to reprogram your subconscious mind, which influences much of your daily behavior and thinking. By consistently using affirmations, you affirm your ability to create the life you desire and affirm your worthiness to receive abundance. The key here is consistency. Affirmations are most effective when they are integrated into your daily routine, becoming a regular part of your self-talk. To start, choose affirmations that resonate deeply with what you seek to embody. For instance, if you are working towards financial abundance, an affirmation like, "I am open to prosperity and attract it naturally," can shift your energy and focus towards wealth creation. Similarly, for emotional and spiritual abundance, affirmations like, "I am worthy of love and joy," can enhance your internal well-being. Repeat these affirmations daily, and with each repetition, feel the truth of the words embed deeper into your consciousness. As we continue to build on the practices that foster an abundant life, another critical step, as taught by Louise Hay, is letting go of limiting beliefs. These are the beliefs that constrain us, telling us what we can't do, can't have, or can't achieve. They are often rooted in past experiences, societal conditioning, or negative self-assessments. Identifying these beliefs is crucial, as they can often block the flow of abundance without us even realizing it. The process of letting go begins with recognition. You must first acknowledge that these beliefs are not truths, but merely perspectives that you have the power to change. Once identified, challenge these beliefs by asking yourself questions like, is this belief based on facts or assumptions? And does this belief help me to grow or hold me back? This questioning can help weaken the hold of limiting beliefs. The replacement process is not about denying your past experiences, but about choosing not to let them define your future. For example, if a limiting belief is, "I am not good enough to succeed," you would counteract this by affirming, "I am capable and prepared to take on new challenges." This practice not only helps in discarding old, unhelpful beliefs, but also reinforces the new mindset of abundance you are building. Transitioning from affirmations and releasing limiting beliefs, another pivotal aspect of creating an abundant life is the practice of gratitude. Gratitude amplifies the effects of the positive changes you are making by shifting your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. This shift in perspective opens you up to receive more goodness, as you are now attuned to noticing and appreciating the abundance that already surrounds you. To cultivate gratitude, start by making it a daily habit to acknowledge and appreciate the good in your life. This could be as simple as writing down 3 things you are grateful for every morning or evening. The act of writing reinforces the feelings of gratitude and can significantly shift your mood and outlook. The key is consistency. Just as with affirmations, regular practice embeds these feelings deeper into your psyche, fundamentally altering how you view your life and circumstances. Gratitude not only improves your emotional and psychological health, but also has tangible effects on your physical well-being. Studies suggest that regularly practicing gratitude can reduce stress, improve sleep, and enhance overall health. These benefits create a positive feedback loop, enhancing your personal well-being and, by extension, increasing your capacity to attract and manifest more abundance. Moving forward in our journey towards a life of abundance, forgiveness serves as a crucial clearing mechanism. It's about releasing past hurts and grievances, which often block your ability to experience true abundance. Holding on to anger, resentment, or sadness ties up emotional energy that could otherwise be used for more constructive and fulfilling purposes. Forgiveness involves acknowledging that holding on to these emotions serves no positive purpose and deciding to let them go for your own well-being. It's not about condoning wrongdoing or forgetting the past, but about freeing yourself from the emotional chains that bind you to it. This release can dramatically transform your emotional landscape, paving the way for new, positive experiences. To practice forgiveness, you might start with self-forgiveness, which is often the hardest. Forgive yourself for past mistakes, for not knowing better, or for holding on to pain. Then extend that forgiveness outward. This doesn't need to involve another person directly. It can be a private release, a decision made in the solitude of your own heart. The act of letting go reclaims the energy previously mired in negativity, redirecting it toward building and enjoying a life of abundance. After cultivating gratitude and embracing forgiveness, the next step toward living a life of abundance involves enhancing your connection with the universe. This connection is about recognizing and aligning yourself with the larger forces at play that govern abundance. It is essential to understand that you are not separate from the universe. You are a part of it, and it constantly communicates with you through signs and synchronicities. To strengthen this connection, mindfulness and meditation are invaluable tools. By practicing mindfulness, you bring your attention to the present moment, becoming fully aware of your surroundings and the subtle messages the universe might be sending. Meditation deepens this awareness, allowing you to quiet the mind and tune into a higher frequency where communication with the universe it becomes clearer. Engaging in regular meditation helps to reduce noise created by daily stresses and mental clutter, facilitating a clearer channel for intuition and insight. This practice can help you make decisions that are more aligned with your higher self and the abundance you seek to attract. The key to these practices is regularity. The more consistently you meditate and practice mindfulness, the stronger your connection to the universe will become. While it is crucial to maintain a strong spiritual and mental connection with the universe, these must be complemented by inspired action. Action is the bridge between the internal world of thoughts, emotions, and desires and the external world of actual results and manifestations. Inspired action means taking steps that feel aligned with your goals and the abundance you wish to create, actions that resonate deeply with your core values and intuition. Start by setting clear, actionable goals that direct your journey towards abundance. Break these large goals into smaller, manageable tasks that you can tackle daily or weekly. Each small step should be intentional and aimed at bringing you closer to the larger vision of abundance you have set for yourself. This approach ensures that your actions are not random, but are strategic and aligned with your overall objectives. The process of taking inspired action involves continuously assessing your progress and being willing to adjust your path as necessary. It's about being agile and responsive to the opportunities and challenges that arise. Remember, the universe often works in unexpected ways, and part of taking inspired action is recognizing when to pivot and adapt based on the feedback you receive from your environment. While we conclude this video, it's important to reflect on the journey we've undertaken. From understanding and expanding your concept of abundance to engaging deeply with your inner self through self-awareness, affirmations, and letting go of limiting beliefs. We've also covered the importance of gratitude, forgiveness, connecting with universal forces, taking inspired action, and creating a positive environment. Each of these steps is interconnected, forming a comprehensive approach to living abundantly. Remember, the path to abundance is both a journey of internal discovery and external expression. It requires consistent practice, a commitment to growth, and a willingness to adapt and respond to life's varied circumstances. Encouragement is key as you continue to apply these principles. Keep in mind that each small step contributes to a larger transformation. You are capable of manifesting the abundant life you envision. It requires patience, persistence, and a positive outlook. Look back on what you have already accomplished and forward to the opportunities yet to come. This blueprint is not merely about reaching a destination, but about enjoying the growth and experiences along the way. Your journey is unique, and how you apply these lessons will shape the abundance you create. Thank you for joining me in this exploration. Continue to nurture your growth, cherish your achievements, and always remain open to the abundance that life offers. Here's to living a life filled with joy, peace, and prosperity. May your path be ever abundant.